Hi everyone, my name is Sally Eliana Diva with NIM 2209294 from the official management education class. Here I will present how important it is to use sunscreen. What is sunscreen? Sunscreen, or also known as sunscreen, is a skincare product. The fantasy to protect the skin for the effect or UV rays from the sun which can damage the skin. Sunscreen itself has many textures or types ranging from lotion, gel to foam. Next slide, benefit of sunscreen. 1. Perfect skin from sunlight. You definitely know that exposing your skin to much sunlight can have a bad impact to facial skin. 2. Prevent sunburn. One of the after benefit of sunscreen is preventing sunburn. If you do activity in the sun for too long, it can make your face red. 3. Keep skin tone even. For example, the skin looks darker than the skin derby. Black spot might suddenly appear. 4. Prevent the appearance for black hair. Black hair are definitely of the most annoying skin problems. One of the cause of black hair is exposure to sunlight. Type of sunscreen. 1. Hybrid sunscreen. This type of sunscreen is combination of physical and criminal sunscreen and the foundation of embracing UV rays from criminal sunscreen. 2. Physical sunscreen. The types of sunscreen is also known mineral sunscreen, which work the breathing barrier of the skin. 3. Criminal sunscreen. This type of sunscreen does not work by relating UVs. Next slide. How to use sunscreen. 1. Use SPF 30. Before applying it to your skin, you should pay attention to the SPF number you use and the UVA and UVB numbers. 2. Check well before use. How to use sunscreen is important so that all the integration the prefix the mixer evenly. 3. Use 2 fingers. For sunfrag profession, use 2 fingers equivalent of the test one. 4. Use 15 until 13 minutes before leaving the room. Apply sunscreen 15 until 13 before leaving the house because sunscreen needs. How much sunscreen should you apply for maximum protection? Okay, permission to answer. For maximum protection, it is recommended to apply about on tablespoons of sunscreen to entirely adult body. It is necessary to use sunscreen every day, even if the weather is not too hot. Yes, it is important to use sunscreen every day even then the weather is not too hot.